you're going to start to see more jobs related to master data management as more and more companies really build out a true data lake, try to leverage ChatGPT, and really become AI-driven companies. Sewell here from Data Talent Advisors. Wanted to take 5 minutes of your time to go over something called master data management and why you're going to start to see more jobs related to master data management as more and more companies really build out a true data lake, try to leverage ChatGPT, and really become AI-driven companies. The reason that you're going to start to see more of these MDM related jobs, which are pretty much ETL developers, master data management architects, data quality specialists, and also data governance specialists. You'll start to see some of these folks. And the reason why, if you look at this diagram that I have here, we have something called the data pipeline. So all the data in your organization, when it starts off, it's in different silos, whether it's in your CRM, like let's say you have mainframe, other systems that are legacy. You may have some newer systems where the data is. That has to go through a process called ELT or ETL, extract, transform, and load, or extract, load, and transform. So that process is really pulling all that data, bringing it together. You got to cleanse it. But as part of that process, which the ETL developers will be involved with, you need to also take a look at the overall data quality that you have and then put together a set of rules or policies to govern this so that you don't get into this mess again. Okay, so when you look at this data pipeline that I have in this diagram, you can kind of see how it flows. At the other side is really when your data scientists get it and they can do all kinds of cool stuff with it. You know, I do interact with a lot of companies. This is something that some companies that have been leaders have been really on top of their overall MDM strategy, data quality and data governance. Others, not so much. So you're going to start to see more and more of that as people are starting to really get serious about their overall AI strategy, and AI strategy can't happen with a sound data lake. Okay. Another thing that I wanted to kind of touch on really quick is master data, what that is, why we talk about master data management. So the actual data, I've got a diagram here where it's showing where the data exists, different departments, who's using it. And then this other diagram that I'm going to refer to here, what it has is the types of data that's being captured. Okay. So whether this information is different employees you have, different customers that you have, different products that you have, all this data needs to jive. And this chart kind of shows some of those different types of data. And that's why it's so important to get all the data to be able to talk to each other so that you can actually become more data driven using your data lake. And then step further, you can start to do some really cool stuff with AI and areas where you can really create a lot of efficiencies and maybe even create some new products. And sky's the limit what you can do. So in a nutshell, I just wanted to kind of touch on that. You know, I thank you for your time today, and I hope this has been insightful. If you have any more questions or anything, feel free to reach out to us at www.datatalentadvisors.com. Be sure to hit the notifications button. Be sure to like this video and reshare it, and feel free to comment below. Okay, thanks again for your time. Have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'm over and out of here. Bye-bye.